How to make Cucumber Summer Glow Serum at home. In summer, you need to follow an effective routine for good care of your skin, as the summer affects your skin tone and texture badly. The rays of the sun and hot weather have damaging effects. This thing puts all of you in a big trouble. In the video below, I am going to share with you the recipe to make 100% effective Cucumber Summer Glow Serum. Make and use this gel to have glowing, healthy, soft and smooth skin in summer too. Try this gel and get rid of dull, tanned, and rough skin. To make 100% effective cucumber gel at home to make your skin glowing and shiny, the ingredients you need are: Ingredients: cucumber juice, 2 spoons. Rose water, 1 spoon. Aloe vera gel, 1 spoon. Olive oil, ½ spoon. Lavender essential oil, 4 to 5 drops. Procedure: take a clean bowl, and in it, add 2 spoons of cucumber juice. After this, add 1 spoon of rose water. Next, add 2 spoons of aloe vera gel. After this, add ½ spoon of olive oil. You may also use coconut or almond oil. Next, add 4 to 5 drops of lavender essential oil to this mixture of ingredients. Now, mix all the ingredients well, and make a fine mixture. The best Cucumber Summer Glow Serum is ready for use now. You can store it for 15 to 20 days in the fridge in an airtight container. How to use: use it twice a day, once in the morning as a serum or a moisturizer. With it, massage your skin so that it penetrates deep into your skin. Also, apply it at night before sleeping. Benefits you will get: this serum helps to hydrate your skin, and cure skin irritation and redness. It is suitable for all types of the skin. Cucumber cools down your skin, and also, it helps to hydrate your skin. Aloe vera treats skin itching and inflammation and dark spots. The use of olive oil also treats your damaged skin, and makes skin healthy. So, in summer, if your skin loses its tone, health, and glow, make and use this Cucumber Summer Glow Serum and have perfect facial beauty.